A procedure of thread lift can take anything between 15 minutes to 45 minutes depending upon the number of threads to be inserted and the area covered. It is quite painless and very comfortable. The patient can go home immediately. The patient may have some amount of bunching of skin and a little bit of discomfort for maybe 48 hours, but he can resume his normal activities from the very next day. He is refrained from doing heavy exercises for around 1 week. He should not use substances or machines or lasers which can have excess of pressure on the skin. Definitely no face massages for some time, and like I said, no energy based devices or lasers for a couple of weeks. Now, post threads, what are the precautions one must follow? Always wash in the upward direction. Do not heavily massage the face. Don't go out in excess of sunlight for 48 hours. Basically, these are very tiny things that you can follow. There is no other care as such required. What are the possible side effects or problems that you can face with these? Rarely, if they are not inserted properly, then you may get dimpling or unevenness, which can be corrected later. If this thread is placed too superficially, you may get dimpling, but that can be also released and the thread can be pulled out. And of course, there may be some amount of bruising or pain if it is inserted too deep or if it hits a vessel. But all these are temporary and they will disappear within a few days at the most.